All right, good morning. Here we are back in the Smokies. We're going to do the Smokemont Loop Trail. It's a beautiful day out, as you can tell.
Beautiful day.
Shouldn't have to worry about bugs at all. Should be about 6 miles. I got my buddy Noah Davis with us. His first hike in the Smokies.
First hike, like real hike.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome because I'm starting the second half of the 900 mile. So we passed the 400 mile mark on our last hike. Exciting. It's a good day. I mean, it's raining, but you know, the Smokies are a type of rainforest, so kind of makes sense. Man, look at that water running. That is some exciting stuff right there. Stick around and we'll see how Noah does on his first real hike. One thing about with the rain, you get a lot of water moving.
Yeah.
It's awesome. All right, Mr. Davis, we're first mile in. What are your thoughts?
So far, so good.
So far, so good?
Getting out of breath a little bit.
Yeah, that's all right.
Better than I thought it would be.
Yeah, the rain has stopped. As much as rain can stop with all the trees being wet. But we've been doing some slight incline, so it's okay to be out of breath right now. I'm a little winded too. So we just completed our first mile, 23 minutes. That's good pace right there, Mr. Davis. Especially in the mountains.
Well, we need to start softening a little bit anyway.
Sounds good.
Come to drink.
We'll do it.
Some vodka.
All right. Well, when we started, we thought we were going to be in for a day full of rain. Rain has stopped. Trail's fairly empty. We just saw a dad and his two sons. They're doing some fly fishing on the Conalufty River. They seemed about as happy as 3 people could be, except for these 2 people. We're pretty happy, right?
Oh, this is great.
Yeah. Couldn't be better. So it's a great day.
Oh, downhill, yay.
It's the small victories in life that make the difference.
Yeah, you told me this was the way to the Dunkin', though. I'm starting to think you were lying.
Yeah, well, when we get to the river, I'm gonna dunk you. Wow, had a blowdown. This is since we've been through here last week. This is pretty heavily traveled trail, so this probably happened last night. Pretty strong winds yesterday came through here. Of course, the rain. That's pretty wild. Left Mr. Davis behind. He's sorting his pack. I just wanted to kind of come up here and see this blowdown real fast. But we're doing great. We're about 2 miles in. We're at the turnoff. So we're going to start heading back down to the Smokemont. All right, so we're at the upper end of the Smokemont Loop. We're going to start heading back to the campground. We got 3.9 miles. This is new miles for me. How about you, Mr. Davis? Is it new miles for you?
I do this every weekend.
That's awesome. Glad to hear it. So what's the first thing we gotta do here? You kind of looked ahead on the trail.
We're gonna cross a log.
Yeah.
And it's funny because I didn't know that's the way we were going, and I asked you, so can we at least do that just to do it? Yeah, we're doing that anyway.
Yeah,
so.
we're doing that anyway. So.
Oh, this is good.
And try not to fall in because that water is raging today. So.
And if I do fall in,
well, I'll pick you up at the campground. Actually, I'll pick you up at the Conalufty Falls Park down in Cherokee.
Right,
Yeah.
well, good.
That's probably when you'll stop. They said this log was really bouncy,
okay.
so I'm gonna let's do it.
That's the part I did read.
Yeah, let's do this one at a time, and it's gonna be slippery. So, wow, this is a long bridge.
This is beautiful.
Oh look, I don't know what it is, but
Caterpillar, yeah. Oh God. The water underneath is freaky as you're crossing. Oh my God. red, still have yellow already.
I think as far as in the movies, if you come across a wooden bridge, a log bridge or anything, if it's wet, it will be very, very slippery because there tends to build, a fungus builds up on it. We've been making our slow ascent up the top of Smokemont Trail. Really nice out here. Humidity's kicked up. No more rain though. It's kind of amazing. I thought we were gonna have rain all day. Sometimes you just gotta decide you're gonna do it and do it. And then let the weather be what it is. So super excited that Mr. Davis here decided to go ahead and do it. Even despite the rain, there was never any doubt that we were doing this today. So
nope, I was excited for it the whole time. And Don was not a liar. We just left the Dunkin', and the problem is it only had a drive-through, so we couldn't get anything. They wouldn't, they wouldn't let us walk up.
Yeah.
That was right off the trail.
Yeah, and they only took Apple Pay.
Yeah.
So that was a problem. All right, now, what are you going to show me?
When I was a kid.
And the entire world.
Growing up in Maine.
Take 45.
You make a little V. And haven't done this probably in 30 years.
All right.
Let's see.
Oh, nice.
Isn't that cool?
That is. Wow, that's loud.
Yep.
Holy cow.
I learned that when I was a little Noah.
That's awesome. All right, Mr. Davis, if you look on both sides, the trail goes down. So what does that mean, you think?
Well, it should mean we're at the peak and it's downhill from here.
Yeah, but you've been lied to before, haven't you?
I was false.
But not on this trip, right?
Yeah. The Dunkin' was a surprise. But
Yeah.
It's been good.
Yeah. It's starting to rain a little bit more now, but I think we're about, I don't know, about 2 miles from the end of the trail. So we might grab a little snack and then head on down. So we'll see in a bit. Man, the rain is really coming down now. We had a really good respite with no rain. We started coming downhill and the rain started coming down. So it's funny, Noah and I, we've known each other for a long time and always talked about doing this 900 mile, and he was kind enough to make sure I had time off to do some of these trips back in the day. But he just let me know that he'd never been hiking for more than a mile. So 6 miles, that's pretty studly, and a pretty good elevation time. Pretty awesome. So
I am a stud, so that makes sense.
And he's doing it in the rain. Most people would have complained, and not a single complaint yet. So
No, this has actually been great because I think I'd rather this than the hot, like 85
Yep.
degrees or something.
Besides those, the dad and the 2 sons that we ran into, we hadn't seen nobody on the trail. Not surprising. No, only people that have limited time to hike would be out today. 2 new things I'm trying this hike. One is this umbrella. I've never hiked with an umbrella before. I picked this up on Amazon. Pretty cool. I think I'm going to be an umbrella hiker from now on. Rain jackets, and you'd see Noah's already dropped his rain jacket because they just become like an oven. If you're not careful, you wind up getting more wet inside than if you had just gone without. And there are different brands that you can buy that would certainly do a much better job. Just hadn't found one yet. The second item I have is I have a new backpack. new day pack that I'm trying out. Gossamer gear I got from Garage Grown Gear. I think it's a 10 liter. Really nice pack. It's got the mesh pockets on the right side, which was a complaint in one of the previous videos about the Gregory backpack. But yeah, I like this bag a lot. I almost wish it was a little bit bigger, but not quite there. Trying a new hydration system that actually fits into a smart water bottle. The tube does, and it has a little enclosure. Yeah, I'm not sure that I'm gonna continue to use this. I need to be able to lay my pack down sometimes, and the liquid just gushes out of the smart water bottle, so that's kind of a non-starter. And seems to have some issues getting some suction, getting the water delivered through the tube. I'm gonna have to check on that, because it may be something I'm doing incorrectly. I might have it set up wrong. Noah's using an item that he's never used before, black diamond trekking poles with the cork tops, and I think he is a believer. I'll probably be stopping by the LL Bean online store and picking some up.
It's just good for stability. Yep. I'm not using it like as an assist, more just to help stability. Yep. Keep me stable. I love it.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I think he's a big believer in the Merrill trail hikers. So
didn't even know they were Merrill.
So, but we're having a great day. We're about 3 hours in, 4.5 miles. So about 1.5 miles to go to the parking lot and our pickup. So. Yep.
25.
Some of the dead stones are so eroded you can't read them. Davis, we just finished 6 miles. Looks like it's, oh man, it's about 2 o'clock, so right at 4 hours.
Okay.
Not too bad. What'd you think?
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Good. Had some rain?
Yeah.
A little bit of rain? So, do it again?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, I got something for you. Your commemorative.
Oh, I love this
first hike.
You showed me yesterday. This is awesome.
Yep. So
Thank you.
We made that with you in mind. So let me get a little bit of video of that. Yep. Flip it over for me. Oh yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
No, thanks.
I would
for
definitely
coming.
do this again. I had a lot of fun.
That's awesome. Thanks. Appreciate it. So we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.